Now let's take a look at the brand new goggle out on the market by Spy. It's the Foundation Goggle. Now this is the Foundation Plus. It comes with a spectral lens here, and it also comes with a bonus clear lens. Now every Foundation goggle comes with a bonus tear-off pack as well, and Spy say the Foundation goggle has the widest peripheral view on the market. Now the high definition Lexus lens provides sharper and more accurate vision in all lighting conditions. The ventilation system draws air through, creating a vacuum that pulls hot air from behind the lens, keeping you dry. They come with a 45mm roll-off system. The triple layer face foam has a moisture wicking fleece that provides a lot of comfort and keeps you dry long into the moto. And last of all, the Foundation goggle comes with a 45mm strap with a silicone rib on the inside to stop it from falling down. So there you go, a closer look at the Foundation goggle from Spy.